Yes, most weekends I change the sheets and all the other rooms in the house. I just wanted to ask you guys, how often do you think is sufficient time to sleep on your sheets before you change them? I do sometimes a week, sometimes I do 2 weeks. But yes, let's share your opinions. And I hate to iron, but I don't like a twisted duvet cover. So I'm ironing on the go. Don't judge me. I'm only human. It's not news that I love juicing. I am an avid believer in juicing. I juice probably 3 times a month, or I'll just say every week, depending on the volumes. And green juice happens to be one of my favorites because, one, you really eliminate any sugars that you get from juicing other fruits, which can spike your glucose levels, especially when you're juicing with the aim to lose weight. On this day, I had a green juice. I had lemons, ginger, celery, and spinach. I always believe that you need to wash your juices thoroughly. I use some bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar to rinse out any toxins because this was not organic. Even if it's organic, it's good to give it a good rinse. I do just that, and I am juicing for the week, so I'll probably have a bottle a day when I break my fast. And the benefits of green juicing, where do I start? Let's talk about lemons. They're packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. So this could actually boost your immune system and detoxify your body at the same time. Then ginger, again, is very fiery depending on how spicy you want it. This was not a lot. I used about 3.5 inches of ginger, but it's a natural anti-inflammatory veg, and it could help against any antibacterial properties. So it is a good one to have as well. For celery, it is a must have. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, as well as it flushes toxins, reducing any inflammation in your body. And it does help with your digestion and gut health. It could send you to the toilet as well. And spinach, again, is similar. It's got a lot of chlorophyll and fiber, and it cleanses your system. And it does help with your liver function. So that's what I had. And I was done in about 2.5 hours because when I film as well as juice, it is not as quick, but I do it for you guys anyway. Well, I juiced away and I was ready to just relax now and actually break my fasts. Hello guys, this is what I'm breaking my fast with after 23 hours. My juicing today has taken me longer than planned because it's when you're juicing and just pause it please. I've just broken my fast with this, what you guys saw me juice, after what seems like a 24 hours fast. 26 hours actually, because it's 5 p.m. now and I was hoping to be finished by 2 and then have my juice and then also have my one meal, which I really want something like breakfasty because I've been having proper meals during the week and it's a Saturday, so I'll still do it. It's 5 p.m. and I couldn't wait for this video. I just thought, let me start with this juice. This was the leftover from the badge I did, and I want to talk about juicing and fasting really quickly before I show you what I'll have for my meal in a bit. A lot of people say, I had a video which has done pretty well on my 10 days juice fast, and people have come back and said I've been juicing, I've not lost weight. It's not true. I only had fruit and veg, not just fruits, because the mistake that we make is we juice things that are really high in sugar and it still increases your glucose levels and ultimately doesn't really make you lose that much weight. So because I'm on a lean diet, I'm trying to shed a lot of weight, and I've been doing this now. I've always been intermittent fasting for 3 years plus, but I do it on and off. But at the moment, it's the 15th of September and I've been doing this for 2 weeks and I've lost 3 kilos and a bit. What I do is I eat my 1 meal and I have a juice cleanse every week or every other week. And I'm not having just any sort of juice. I'm juicing with just green juice. That for me is the only juice that I believe really detoxes you and doesn't have sugar. So I'm not even putting green apples. It's just spinach, cucumber, lemon, lots of ginger, and the main thing is celery. Anyway, I'm so hungry. It's crazy, but it's good to be hungry before you eat, but not too hungry because you start picking. And I have been tempted to do some of that already. I look a bit tired and worn out. My hair needs some adjusting, but that's beside the point. I'll go now and prepare my meal. So come along with me and yeah. I finally get to eat. It's 5:43 and I have done 7,500 steps. It's been a good day, just that I'm so late. Breaking my fast at 4:30 is not ideal, and then to prepare this meal as well, it took a while. I've been juicing, I'm having some more, and this is how my Saturday has gone, and I'll consider this fruitful. I'm going out actually after. I want to eat so that once I go out, I'm not tempted to eat because I'm going to see a friend. So I would have eaten and I'll just have my water. I'll try to be disciplined. Okay, anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you've got any questions on fasting, intermittent fasting, I have done a few videos just explaining fasting for beginners. If you have anything else to ask on juicing, fasting, meals, fire away, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, thanks for the love, the support. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Lots of juicy content coming up. Bye.